say not be una get Lagos. Not be Yoruba create Lagos. Now Benin people now create Lagos. If una
hey, wait, my people, it don't set. This year don't call change. Follow them. Hello, my people. I greet the followers from Otoshebo, my host on a day fine. Now do what una tell help me take the share, comment, like. God go bless you. I appreciate each and every one. My people, as I see this video for media, I say no, I go bring am come. Make we watch am together. Make we see am. This year don't charge you. The thing vex year not be small thing. He say, I know say this election where it comes so many people, especially some of people wey be saying they're not there for Obi side. So most of them come dey talk say people wey vote for Obi for Lagos, make they carry their goods, make they comot, so make they just comot for Lagos kpatakpata. So now that one I see, I go still put the video where that pastor no say that they call up everybody na pastor wey tell people say Igbo people wey dey Lagos make they pack their things, make they comot. As far as say they not support Tinubu, ask me whether na by force to support Tinubu one na dey support wetin don do for una. Anyway, my people, na year charge ojo come and say why they go talk like that, whether they no know say na we the Benin na he create that Lagos, na make them they call am Eko. He said make them go ask Oba of Lagos the history of that Eko. Make them tell them, you know, because all this election where people do, people not they happy. Many people not they happy, which we know say Obi go carry and go court. Now understand, you go carry and go court, and I so much believe say the court go see many things, many proof they where be say then go either they'll cancel the election, the do one, or they'll give Obi a position where supposed to be say now you get down. We see everything. So now you charge, can't talk many things. The thing vex her. For a year like this to come and come the voice out. He said na Yoruba now she married. She even blame herself said to marry Yoruba. I know say the thing vex and not be saying you don't understand when you don't the verse you talk many things. I'll put the video of you for now on listening, and I'll still put the video of that Akpangiri pastor when they call their said or they see prophecy, they know they see anything. I will still put and wait tell they say Igbo people may they carry their law, may they come on. May you ask me whether na in Nigeria. Anybody if you stay for way like you feel decide who want you want vote, you know one vote. Mona Washer, thank you for being here. Bye bye for now.
Waka yebu me. Waka me we do making. I be Bini, I married Yoruba ma. I be Mercy or Kolamu. This is what Yoruba people they do so for Lagos. They say that they throw away Igbo people market. They throw away their market. They do any say because they not vote for Tinubu. Make una no say not be una get Lagos. Not be Yoruba create Lagos. Now Benin people na create Lagos. If una not know anything, make una go answer about Lagos. Make it tell una how Lagos they be. Lagos na Eko na Yoruba name. Eko na Benin create Lagos. Na he create Lagos. Make una be careful. All this one they do anyhow. So una they do like mumu up there. Una be mumu. Me say if I even blame myself why I go mother Yoruba. Una they
all the Igbos in Alaba, all the Igbos in Odumota, all the Igbos in Lagos, as you wickedly vote for Peter Obi, just pack your load and leave Lagos. I remain Prophet God Odeko. As Swanju, I'm just sending a message across the country. If when I play game against this movement, then let me tell you, I remain Prophet God. If no Aswanju, there's no president. There will not be president. People will not be. So you better know what you are doing. I remain Prophet God. It's only Aswanju that can be a president of Nigeria that will transform this country. I remain Prophet God. All the Igbo that voted for Peter Obi in Lagos, pack your load and leave Lagos. All the pastors who talk against Aswanju in Lagos, pack your church and leave Lagos. I remain Prophet God Oniko. Lagos is not your land. Leave.
Mr. President. How are you? I love you. I saw you in the picture. I haven't even seen you. When I saw you in the...
No, now you will continue to see me.
President, thank you very much. Your Excellency, well done.
Congratulations.
My governor, my governor. Congratulations, sir. Mr. President. Yes. Yes.
Vice President.
The big chair. Thank you very much.
Mr. President, congratulations.
Thank you very much. Yes. I love you. Thank you very much.
Why come to tell the president so quickly after receiving the certificate of return?
No, I just, as a very loyal party man, come to present the certificate of election to him as the party leader, and commend his effort in this supporting democracy in Africa. This is the largest democracy in Africa, and we couldn't have done any better. We're lucky. There's no incident, there's no accident, and no matter how provocative a defeat is, we still have to tolerate it if we are Democrats and we have a nation to build. So
what are you taking away from your engagement with the president this evening?
The calmness and commitment, and the fact that after voting, it taught us again dedication to our party. This place is ballot paper. We want to see loyalty to the party and being ready to build a future for all of us. And no matter how tempting the problem of democracy is following the process, building a successor, and ready to hand over, peacefully in Africa. It's a big deal now. It's a very big deal.
Have you started receiving messages of goodwill and congratulations?
Oh, very, very, very many of that already. Very many. In fact, as far as Europe, the stock market reacted positively well. There was a good message of best wishes from Macron, the president of France. So that's.
What about your opponents?
Please leave him alone.
Leave him alone.